In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an approval process in Salesforce. This process involves a series of straightforward steps that will allow you to streamline approvals within your organization, making workflows more efficient and productive. Let's start by navigating to the Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the settings icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu, and from there you'll want to select Open Advanced Setup. This will take you to a more detailed configuration page. Now, within the setup page, there is a search bar where you'll need to type in the word approval. This will filter the setup options to show you the relevant section for managing approval processes. Once the approval processes option appears, click on it to proceed. From here, you'll see an overview of existing approval processes, but to create a new one, look for the option labeled Create New Approval Process. Select it to begin the process of setting up a new approval path. You'll be prompted to choose how you'd like to set up your approval process. For a faster, more user-friendly approach, click on Use Jumpstart Wizard. This option is designed to simplify the setup process by providing quick start templates and skipping some advanced features you may not need at this stage. With the wizard open, your next task is to give your approval process a name. This name should be descriptive enough to easily identify the process among others your organization may have. After naming your approval process, the next essential step is to hit Save to ensure your progress is recorded and you avoid losing any settings. Immediately after saving, you'll need to specify the entry criteria. Entry criteria are the conditions that a record must meet to enter the approval process. Set this up according to your organization's rules and requirements. Once you've configured the entry criteria, you can move on to view the detailed page of your new approval process. Click on View Approval Process Detail page to get a comprehensive look at all the features and settings associated with the process you've just created. This detail page presents you with a chance to review your configurations and make any necessary adjustments before making the process live. Finally, to enable the approval process and start using it actively within your business operations, click Activate. Activation is the last but crucial step as it puts your process into motion, making it possible for records that meet the criteria to be submitted for approval. With everything set up and activated, your Salesforce approval process is ready to enhance the efficiency of your organizational workflows. And there you have it, a smoothly set up approval process in Salesforce, ready to streamline decision-making within your team.